What are you doing?
I'm cooking some eggs.
You're looking for some eggs? Happy Easter, Maxwell.
Yay! Easter! You looking over here?
Yeah.
Alright, Alex. Alex is excited.
Maybe behind your pillow.
Alex is feeding. I'm not going to show that on video. Mom's gone wild. Oh, you found one!
What's in here?
What's in there?
More jelly beans!
Wow, more jelly beans!
Wow.
Put it in your bucket. That's very nice, Maxwell. Take your bucket with you.
I see something.
Where?
Another egg!
Yay! Another egg! How many eggs you got here?
1, 2.
Wow.
1, 2.
Wow, that's a lot of eggs.
Yeah.
What do you got in those eggs?
More jelly beans!
Not sure if you're happy about that or not. What about those, Maxwell?
More jelly beans again.
That's okay. We love jelly beans.
Did I wake everybody up? Tonight I got up at 6:30 and
Gotta find another egg.
Alright, let's go.
See something.
You see some? Did you find some?
Yeah. Misters. More, a lot of jelly beans. A lot of them.
A lot of jelly beans?
A lot of them.
Max, do you like jelly beans?
Yeah.
Oh, thank goodness.
I'm gonna say thank you, Easter Bunny.
Yeah.
I so love him.
You love the Easter Bunny? Why don't you sing the Easter Bunny a song?
I see another
Take your bucket.
one. Make him see one.
What's in there?
Nothing in there.
Nothing's in there.
No.
Easter Bunny.